Hello.
Gitanjali ma'am.
Yes, we can hear you.
Gupta ma'am.
Yes. Hello.
Am I audible?
Yes, we can hear you.
Gitanjali ma'am. Gitanjali ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
So your voice is breaking.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Now you are.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Everybody is fine?
I think
Gitanjali ma'am?
I will go.
Yes, sir.
I will go mute. Sorry, I will go mute because I have a construction going on close to my house. Okay.
It's okay.
I will go.
But no. But how can you hear command? Okay. Thank you. So stand up on mat. Stand up on mat. Join your both palm in front of heart center. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale for one time Om, followed by opening mantra. Opening mantra, repeat after me. Vande Gurudam
Vande Gurunam
Charanaravinde
Charanaravinde
Sandarsita Swatma
Sandarshikasvam
Sukha Bhavode
Sukhavavode
Nishreyase
Nishreyase
Jangalika Yamane
Jangalikayamane
Sansarahala
Sansarahala
Halamoha Sante
Paramohasyamse
Abaho
Abahu
Purusakaram
Purushakaram
Sankha Chakra
Sankhachakra
Siddharidam
Siddharinam
Sahasra
Sahasra
Sirasam Svetam
Shirasam Shvetam
Pranamami Patanjalim
Pranamami Patanjalim Om.
Bow down your head slowly and gently. Open your eyes. Samasthiti. We will start with some salutation. Ekam inhale. Urdhva Vrikshasana. Dvau exhale. Fully forward down. Go down. Trine inhale. Halfway look up, look front. Chatwari, press your palm, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold here for 5 Ujjayi breath. Spine straight. Look towards navel. Nadhi chakra drishti. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sapta, bend your knee, jump front or Uttanasana. Ashto, exhale, Uttanasana. Nava, inhale, all the way up for the Vrikshasana. Look towards thumb, up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round. Ekam, inhale, all the way up for the Vrikshasana. Dvau, exhale, Uttanasana. Go down. Trine, inhale, halfway, look up, look front. Chatwari, press your palm, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold here for 5 Ujjayi breath. Spine straight. Lengthen your spine. 5, 4 3 2 1 सप्ता बेंडोरनी जंप फ्रंट ऊर्ध्वोत्तानासन अष्टो एक्सेल उत्तानासन नवा इनहेल ऑल द वे अप ऊर्ध्ववृक्षासन एक्सेल समस्थिति थर्ड राउंड एकम इनहेल ऊर्ध्ववृक्षासन द्वौ एक्सेल उत्तानासन त्रीणि इनहेल हाफवे लुक अप लुक फ्रंट चत्वारि प्रेस योर palm jump back to chaturanga पंचा इनहेल अपवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग सट एक्सेल डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग होल्ड हियर फॉर 5 उज्जयी ब्रेथ नाभि चक्र दृष्टि 5 4 3 2 1 सप्ता बेंडोरनी जंप फ्रंट ऊर्ध्वोत्तानासन अष्टो एक्सेल उत्तानासन नवा इनहेल ऊर्ध्ववृक्षासन एक्सेल समस्थिति Now sun salutation B 17 vinyasa एकम इनहेल उत्कटासन द्वौ एक्सेल उत्तानासन गो डाउन त्रीणि इनहेल लुक फ्रंट हाफ ए लुक अप चत्वारि प्रेस योर palm jump back to chaturanga पंचा इनहेल अपवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग सट एक्सेल डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग सप्ता रेज योर राइट लेग टेक इट फ्रंट फॉर वॉरियर ए लुक टुवर्ड्स थंब अष्टो एक्सेल प्रेस योर palm jump back to chaturanga नवा इनहेल ऊर्ध्वमुखा दशा एक्सेल अधोमुखा एकादशा रेज योर लेफ्ट लेग टेक इट फ्रंट फॉर वॉरियर ए द्वादशा प्रेस योर palm jump back to chaturanga त्रयोदशा इनहेल अपवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग चतुर्दशा एक्सेल डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग होल्ड हियर फॉर 5 उज्जयी ब्रेथ 5 4 3 2 1 पंचदशा बेंडोरनी जंप फ्रंट ऊर्ध्वोत्तानासन षोडशो एक्सेल उत्तानासन सप्तदशा इनहेल उत्कटासन एक्सेल समस्थिति सेकेंड राउंड ऑफ सन सैल्यूटेशन बी एकम इनहेल उत्कटासन द्वौ एक्सेल उत्तानासन गो डाउन त्रीणि इनहेल हाफ वे लुक अप लुक फ्रंट Chatwari, press your palm, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, raise your right leg, take it front for warrior A. Ashta, exhale, press your palm, jump back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Look up. Dasa, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ekadasa, raise your left leg, bring front for warrior A. Dwadasa, press your palm, jump back to Chaturanga. Trayodasa, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasa, exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold here for 5 Ujjayi breath. Spine straight. Look towards navel. Nabhi Chakra Drishti. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Panchadasa, bend your knee, jump front to the Uttanasana. Sodaso, exhale, Uttanasana. Go down, go down. Saptadasa, inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Our next asana is Padangusthasana. Both palm on waist. Open your feet hip distance apart with jump. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Go down. Grab your big toes with middle finger and index finger. Inhale, look front. Exhale, down. Down, down, go down. Bend your elbow. Go down. 5, 4. Go down with every exhalation. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look front. Exhale, hand to foot pose. Hastpadasana. Hastpadasana. Place your palm below your foot. Inhale, look front. Exhale, down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look front. Exhale. Inhale, palm on waist, up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Palm, foot together, hands down. Next asana is Utthita Trikonasana. Raise your right leg, stand back 3 feet apart. Right foot out, left foot in. Inhale, arm side. Don't make your hip square, hip straight. No, don't make hip square. Kitanjali ma'am. Be there, yes. Open your arm side. Exhale, go towards right, go down. Grab your right big toe. Left hand up, look towards palm. 5, 4, try to keep your knee straight. 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. Change your side. Left foot out, right foot in. Exhale. Go down towards left. Grab your big toe. Right hand up. Look towards palm. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. Change your side. Right foot out, left foot in. Now hip is square, hip is square. Decrease your both foot. Decrease your both foot gap between both foot. Decrease your both foot gap. Hip is square. Kritanjali ma'am, rotate your body, hip is square, make your hip is square like this. Look here. Hip is square. Rotate your hip like this.
Okay.
Yes, both palm on west. Raise your left arm up. Left arm up. Exhale, go front and go down. Place your left palm opposite to right foot. Right hand up. Right hand up. Look towards palm. Parsva Drishti. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. Up, come slowly. Change your side. Left foot out, right foot in. Now inhale. Raise your right hand up. Exhale. Go front and go down. Place your right palm opposite to left foot. Left arm up. Look towards left palm. Parsva Drishti. 5. Leg engage. Back leg engage. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. Exhale. Samasti. Take your leg back. Our next asana is Utkatasana. Ekam inhale all the way up, Urdhva Vrikshasana. Dvav exhale, Uttanasana, go down. 3 inhale, half look up, look front. Chatwari, press your palm, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Sat exhale, downward facing dog. सप्ताह bend your knee, cross, jump front, Utkatasana. Jump front, Utkatasana. Chair pose. Foot together, knee together, palm together, look towards thumb. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press your palm, jump back to Chaturanga. Go down. Press your palm, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, raise your right leg. Bring front for warrior A. Look towards thumb, antar drishti. Concentrate between both eyebrow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your side. Change your side. Don't go down. Kritanjali ma'am, don't go down. Change your side. Left foot out, right foot in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warrior B, that side only. Open your arm. Open your arm. Look towards left middle finger. 5, 4. Kritanjali ma'am, raise your right hand. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Change your side. Change your side. Right foot out, left foot in. Bend your right knee. Look towards right middle finger. Hastagra drishti. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press your palm, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bend your knee, cross your leg, jump through, sit in Dandasana. Kritanjali ma'am, what happened?
Nothing.
Okay. Place your both palm beside your hips. Inhale, land on your spine. Exhale, throat lock for 5 counting. Throat lock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up, head up. Exhale, release. Inhale, take your both hand up. Both arm up. Exhale, go front. Grab your big toes with index finger and middle finger. Paschimottanasana A. Inhale, look front. Exhale, down. Go down from hip. Don't rotate your spine. 5, 4, 3, 2, One. Inhale, look front. Exhale, grab your foot. Inhale, look front. Exhale, down. Go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look front. Exhale, interlock your finger and grab your wrist, opposite to foot. Inhale, look front. Exhale, down. 5, 4. Don't rotate your spine. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look front. Exhale, release. Press your palm. Cross your leg. Jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bend your knee, cross your leg, jump through, sit in Dandasana. Next asana is Janusirsasana. Janusirsasana A. Fold your right leg. Fold your right leg. Kritanjali ma'am, not bend, fold like this. This. Am I visible?
Yes, sir.
Fold like this. Place your right foot. Place your right foot opposite to left thigh.
Okay.
Inhale, raise your both arms up. Both arms up. Exhale, go front. Grab your left foot. Inhale, look front. Exhale, down. Try to touch your chin to shin bone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Press your palm, cross your leg, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bend your knee, cross your leg, jump through. Sit in Dandasana. Janusirsasana. A with left leg. Fold your left leg, place your left foot opposite to right thigh. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, go front, grab your right foot. Inhale, look front. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, down. Try to touch your chin to shin bone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look front. Exhale, release. Press your palm, cross your leg, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bend your knee, cross your leg, jump through, sit in Dandasana. Now next asana is Marityasana A. Now bend your right leg, bend your right leg. Kritanjali ma'am, like this, yes. Inhale, raise your right hand up. Right hand up. Exhale, go front and grab your right leg. Right leg with right hand. Grab your right leg with right hand and rotate your arm back. Take your left arm back. Grab your right wrist. Grab your right wrist or interlock your finger. Inhale, look front. Exhale down. Try to touch your chin to shin bone or try to touch your head to knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look front. Exhale, release. Press your palm. Jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bend your knee, cross your leg, jump through. Sit in Dandasana. Kritanjali ma'am. Kritanjali ma'am.
Yes, sir.
When you doing jump front, take yourself little more front. Don't sit back like this.
Okay.
If you going to jump front, don't sit here.
Okay.
Try to go here, so that you take your leg easily front.
Okay, sir.
Next asana is Marityasana A with left leg. Bend your left leg. Raise your left hand up. Exhale, go front. Go down, grab your left leg with left arm. Take your right hand back and grab your left wrist or interlock your fingers. Inhale, look front. Exhale, go down. Try to touch your chin to shin bone or touch your head to knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look front. Exhale, release. Press your palm, cross your leg, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bend your knee, cross your leg, jump through, sit in Dandasana. Now, next asana is Marityasana B. Fold your left leg, make half lotus. Fold your left leg, make half lotus. Place your left foot on right thigh, make half lotus. Yes. And now bend your right leg, bend your right leg, bend your right leg. Yes, like this. Inhale, raise your right arm up, Exhale, go front and grab your right leg with right arm. Rotate your arm. Take it back. Take your left arm back. Grab your right wrist and interlock your fingers. Yeah, try to interlock. Yes. Okay, hold there. Exhale, go down. Take your head down on mat. Try to touch your head. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look front. Exhale, release. Press your palm, cross your leg, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bend your knee, cross your leg, jump through, sit in Dandasana. Marichasan B with left leg. Fold your right leg, make half lotus. Bend your left leg. Inhale, raise your left arm up. Exhale, go front. Grab your left leg with left arm. Take your right arm back. Grab your left wrist and interlock your fingers. Inhale, look front. Exhale, down. Try to touch your head on mat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look front. Exhale. Release, press your palm, cross your leg, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now, bend your knee, jump beside your arm, beside your arm. Beside your arm, Magda ma'am. Beside your arm. Her Bhuj Pedasan. Kritanjali ma'am, look here. Down from downward facing dog. Jump beside your arm, like this.
Okay.
Outside, outside, Kritanjali ma'am. Your leg should be outside. Look once again. Look once again. Jump like this.
Okay.
I am coming closer. Like this. Okay?
Okay.
Jump, jump. Yes. And now cross your ankle, cross your ankle. Yeah, cross your ankle. Look here once. Look here, full asana flow. Jump beside your arm. Take your arm below your thigh. Take your both arm below your thigh. Take your body weight on arm. And now cross your ankle. Lift your ankle up. Okay? Can you see me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is Bhuj Pedasan. This is Bhuj Pedasan A. And take your ankle back. Take yourself down and try to touch your chin. Try to touch your chin on mat. This is Bhuj Pedasan B. and again come up. Take your leg back, shift to crow pose and jump back to chaturanga. This is Bhujpidasana A and Bhujpidasana B. Try to do.
Okay, sir.
Want to see once again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look here. From downward facing dog. Am I visible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
From downward facing dog. Jump beside your arm. Cross your ankle. Lift your foot up. This is Bhujpidasana A. Take your full body weight on upper arm. And
Okay.
the order is Bhujpidasana B. Take your foot back and take your body down. Try to touch your chin to mat. This is Bhujpidasana B. And slowly take yourself up. Shift your leg to crow pose like this. And jump back to chaturanga.
Okay, sir.
This is little tough than other asanas, but try to do.
I'm sorry, but I have tried so many times, but I cannot do it. I will try.
No
of course.
problem.
I will
Magda
try.
ma'am, it happens in 1 to 2 months. It takes 1 to 2 month time.
I know. Okay.
Yes. Place your upper arm below your thigh. Yeah, take your whole body weight on upper arm. You will feel pain on wrist. Now try to cross your ankle. Cross your ankle. Kritanjali ma'am. Cross your ankle. Oh, don't go back. Make balance. Yes. Try to control your body. Make balance. Cross your ankle, yes. Make balance, don't go back.
Everyone.
Once again. Take your full body weight on arm. Control your breath. Take long Ujjayi breath. Always focus on breath in tough asanas. Very good. Yes. Take your leg back. Don't go down. From there, shift your leg back or directly go to chaturanga by shifting your leg.
Okay,
You
sir.
can go from there. Look once again. Like I am Bhujpidasana. I am beginner. I will take this leg here and jump back to chaturanga like this. Okay?
Okay.
Shift your leg. Don't sit back. Yes, cross your leg, lift your foot little up, Cross your leg. Cross your leg. Cross your ankle. Cross your ankle. Yes, yes, very good. Don't go back. Don't go back.
Great, but she's really doing great.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
I have a problem with
Very nice attempt.
I have a problem with bending my elbows when I'm, you know,
Okay.
this is this inverted bend. I have a problem with it.
Magda ma'am, once you try to do. Magda ma'am.
Yes, I said that I have a problem when I'm in this position.
Yes.
I don't know how to bend my elbows.
Look here. Look here. When you are this position, just bend your elbow 90 degrees. Bend your arm 90 degrees. Like this. Can you see this?
Yes, yes,
Bend your arm 90 degrees.
yes, 90 degrees.
And,
Yeah,
and take your whole body weight and wrist.
yeah,
Take your whole body weight and wrist.
yes, yeah.
It will become easy. Kritanjali ma'am, shift your leg back. Release your ankle and shift your leg back. Don't sit down. Last attempt. Jump. Magda ma'am, bend your elbow. Kritanjali ma'am, make balance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Release your ankle. Don't come back. Just release your ankle and shift your leg backside. No.
Quite difficult.
No problem. It will happen in 1-2 days. Magda ma'am, yeah, very good. Bend little more. Bend your arm little down. You press your body downward like turtle. You press your body downward like turtle.
Yeah. I do something wrong. I don't know why.
No problem.
To practice more.
Okay, now time is over. Lie down in Savasana. Lie down in Savasana for 2 minutes. Focus on breath. Concentrate on whole body. If you feel anywhere pain, focus on that body part and try to heal the pain. Feel relaxed. Now move your toes. Move your fingers. Rotate your neck towards right, towards left and center. Take your both arms opposite to your head. Interlock your fingers. Rotate your palm. Stretch your whole body. Stretch. Relax. Take your arm side. Bend your knees. Rotate towards right. Roll towards right. Make pillow with right arm. Be there. Now press your palm, press your left palm, lift yourself up, sit in any comfortable position. Adopt Jnana Chin Mudra, spine straight, eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale for one time Om, followed by closing mantra. Closing mantra, repeat after me. Swasti prajabhyam
स्वस्ते प्रजाभ्यां
paripalayantam
परिपालयन्तां
न्यायेन मार्गेण
न्यायेन मार्गेण
महिं महेशा
महिं महिषा
गोब्राह्मणेभ्यो
गोब्राह्मणेभ्यो
शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
लोका समस्ता
लोकाः समस्ताः
सुखिनो भवन्तु
सुखिनो भवन्तु
शांति शांति शांति. Join your both palms together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shanti,
Magda
thank you.
ma'am,
Yes.
yesterday you asked for mantra meaning.
Sorry?
Yesterday who asked for mantra's meaning?
I asked her.
Ah, yes.
Oh, Kritanjali ma'am. Okay. So next day, tomorrow I will tell you mantra's meaning in anatomy class because there is time. In this class there is no time, so I can't explain that mantra. It takes 10 to 15 minutes. So I explain in anatomy class.
Okay. Of course.
Okay.
Sir, can you please remind me the name of this last asana we have finished at? The last asana we
Last
did
Ashtanga asana.
today.
Yeah, that is Bhujpedasana.
Bhushpinasana.
Bhujpedasana.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Bhujpedasana A and Bhujpedasana B.
Yeah, okay.
When you looking front, that is Bhujpedasana A, and touching your chin down to mat is Bhujpedasana B.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.